Story and rhyme has special relationship with children. Not only children, we elder also love and enjoy the story. Today I have created a story on use of A and A. Neha and Naman went to the terrace garden. There they saw a beautiful magic box. Yes, this is the magic box. Neha and Naman, they were very happy to see the magic box. Here they are. Naman found the magic stick there and he started singing. Knock, knock, knock. What's in the magic box? What's in the magic box? Hello, hello, hello. What's in the magic box? And he put his hand inside. My hand is going in. My hand is going in. Hello, hello, hello. My hand is going in. See what has come out of the box. Yay! It's an ant. Hello, I am an ant man. I am an ant man. Hello, hello, hello. I am an ant man. Ant man, where do you come? I come before vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. All 5 vowels are your friend, remember? I come before vowel sound. Mr. Ann, can you give me some example with words? Yes, my dear, sure. An apple, an orange, an engine, an ice cream. Now Neha got excited. She said, now I want to open the magic box. Knock, knock, knock. And she took the magic wand. Knock, knock, knock. What's in the magic box? What's in the magic box? Hello, hello, hello. What's in the magic box? Now she's saying, my hand is going in. My hand is going in. Hello, hello, hello. My hand is going in. And see what has come out. I am Mr. A. I am Mr. A. Hello, hello, hello. I am Mr. A. And I come before consonant sound. All the consonants are my friends. I come before all the consonant sound. You want to say you come before B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All the consonant sound. Yes, my dear. Oh, today we have learned a beautiful story how to use A and An before consonant and vowels. Thank you, Mr. A. Thank you, Mr. An. It was a wonderful story. So, it was a wonderful story for Neha and Naman. I hope you also enjoyed it. And now I'll give you some example on the board. Look at my board. Yes, my dear, sure. See this one. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Can you give me some example with words? See the words. A box, a house, a cow, a mango, a girl. Hope you understand the concept now.